Hello everyone, welcome to Law and Visas Immigration. I'm Betty, and today I'm here to break down something a lot of people are asking about: how to apply for a Trinidad and Tobago visit visa from Nigeria. If you're planning to travel to this beautiful Caribbean country for tourism, family visits, or business purposes, this video will guide you step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, do Nigerians need a visa to visit Trinidad and Tobago? Yes. As a Nigerian citizen, you are required to apply for a visa before traveling to Trinidad and Tobago. You can't get a visa on arrival, so it's important to get this sorted before making any travel plans. So, where do you apply? You apply through the Trinidad and Tobago High Commission in Abuja, Nigeria. It's an in-person application, meaning you need to submit all required documents physically at the embassy. What are the documents you need? Let's keep it simple. Here's what you need to prepare. International passport. Your Nigerian passport must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. Completed visa application form. This is usually the Trinidad and Tobago visa form that you can collect at the High Commission or download from their website. 2 passport photos. Standard passport size, recent photos with white background. Proof of accommodation. This could be your hotel reservation or an invitation letter if you're staying with a friend or family member. Return flight ticket reservation. It shows that you plan to return to Nigeria. Bank statement. At least 3 to 6 months, showing you have enough money to take care of yourself during your trip. Introduction letter from employer or business. If you're employed or running a business, you should provide a letter stating your status and why you're traveling. Travel itinerary. A simple schedule of your activities while in Trinidad and Tobago. Visa application fee. This may vary, so it's always a good idea to confirm with the embassy before going. Now, let's talk about timelines. Visa processing time can take 10 to 15 working days, depending on your documents and background checks. Sometimes it could take longer, especially during peak travel periods. Any interview involved? In most cases, yes. You may be called for an interview at the High Commission. They usually ask questions about your travel plans, financial capacity, ties to Nigeria, and return intentions. Transit tips if there's no direct flight. Because there are very few direct flights from Nigeria to Trinidad and Tobago, you'll likely transit through a country like the UK, US, or another Caribbean country. You may need a transit visa for those stopover countries. This is very important and something most people overlook. Now here's a tip most people miss. Even if all your documents are complete, if you don't explain your travel plans clearly in your letter or during your interview, it can lead to refusal. That's why we always advise our clients to let us guide them from start to finish, from document prep to interview readiness. So how can we help at Law and Visas Immigration? We assist with the entire visa process, helping you prepare your documents properly, review your statements, craft a solid travel purpose letter, guide you on what to say at the embassy, and help you avoid costly mistakes that lead to refusals. If you're serious about visiting Trinidad and Tobago, don't just guess your way through the application. Let the professionals at Law and Visas Immigration help you do it right the first time. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. We're always ready to help. If you're interested in applying or just want to speak with us, reach out today. Let's get your visa sorted.